Welcome to this MSSC Tech Short. Today we will be removing and installing a punch and die on our stencil machine.
Oh, sure. You hold that down just so it don't fly out into the machine. And now you can see through them holes to get down to the punch. Loosen that one a little bit. And then I'm going to take and pick the screw down here so I don't lose it in the machine. And then as I get this one fully loosened, I'm going to lift up the punch with it just so it doesn't fall down in. So now your punch and die is out.
Off guard like that. We'll see if he remembers that or not.
Get it partially tight. Get both in. Come back and make sure it's tight real good. And you take your die, you slide it in there, put it on. Put your screws back in. And you take a flathead and come up from underneath here. You lift it up. And up here while it's up, tighten it a little bit. Oh my goodness. You tighten it really good. You let that go, and it pops apart.